Imagine the possibilities if you could gain business insights at the touch of a button. SYSPRO enables you to better manage your business performance and prepare for growth. With the SYSPRO ERP system in place, you will gain a full view of all your critical business data, including financial, warehouse and inventory management across your supply chain and business operations. Using the system, you'll be able to manage capacity and stock levels to keep up with demand, streamline efficiencies and improve your customer experience, and track and trace your products at all times. It's all the information you need to make better decisions. As a CEO, SYSPRO's ERP system provides all the critical information you need when you need it. A glance at the dashboard reveals weekly sales, targets and inventory levels. Forecasts and performance are laid out visually, so you always have a finger on the pulse of the company. A CFO can use SYSPRO ERP to access a full spectrum of financial data. From cash flow to profit margins, you can enjoy a real-time view of all key KPIs instantly. What's more, ERP allows for cost optimization and better planning, enabling you to be more strategic and make better informed decisions. When it comes to operations, an ERP system benefits everyone from the COO to purchasing, sales, warehousing, supply chain and quality control. When a new order is submitted, the ERP system immediately queries product availability. The system automatically sends an alert if additional ingredients are needed to complete the order. SYSPRO keeps track of all recipes and formulas and all the ingredients needed and allows for instant substitutions. What's more, SYSPRO helps to take the guesswork out of forecasting by recognizing seasonality, outliers and trends and automatically determining the best algorithm per product. When it comes to shipping and receiving, SYSPRO keeps track of every item with lot tracing. The system will help you optimize your production line, reducing downtime and bottlenecks with a flexible production plan that can change when needed. The system allows for traceability at the click of a button. You can trace any ingredient from field to fork, ensuring food safety and quality control. If it was ever necessary, SYSPRO could help to implement a successful recall. SYSPRO keeps a close eye on expiry dates and ensures that products with the earliest expiration dates are used or sold first. Finally, once the order is fulfilled, tracking information is automatically sent to your customers along with an invoice. From the moment an order is placed until it is completed, SYSPRO tracks, records, optimizes and manages, giving you complete visibility of your entire operation. Let us show you just how much our software can do for your business.